If you're still trading on centralized exchanges or farming airdrops with just one connection, you're painting a giant target on your back. Stop letting geo-blocks and IP flags eat your profits. Introducing Proxy Seller. When you click the link below in the description and you create your account, this is the dashboard you will have in front of you. You have a very clean and simple to navigate dashboard. And right now they are offering 15% discount additionally on your order if you use the code down in the description. This isn't just for one IP. It works whether you're buying a single ISP proxy or a bulk package for a farming bot. When you come to the home page, you see this. You will be able to choose service IPv4, or maybe you want residential proxies, and then the location, for example, United States. And after that, you want to select the period you want the proxy. For example, I want it for 6 months. And how many IPs? I want 2 of them. And it immediately calculates to you how much it will be to get what you ask for. And in seconds, you can click buy and buy this specific proxy. Now, what is it? Proxy Seller is a premium marketplace that gives you access to high-quality proxies from over 220 countries. Unlike cheap and share proxies that get you flagged instantly by crypto exchanges, these guys specialize in private, residential, and ISP proxies. Their uptime is 99.9% and 1 gigabps speed channels, which are crucial when you're snipping a token launch or executing a high-speed trade. Crypto platforms are cracking down on multi-accounting. If you manage multiple wallets for airdrops or whitelists from the same IP, you risk getting all of them disqualified. With proxy sellers, and specifically the residential proxies they offer, you can assign a unique real user IP to every single profile. This makes your 50 wallets look like 50 different people from different cities, keeping your account safe and eligible. This is for traders who need a consistent identity on Binance, Bybit, or Coinbase. I highly recommend their ISP static residential proxies for your many exchange accounts. These give you the trust score of a residential home connection, but the stability of a data center server. This prevents those annoying suspicious login, logouts that happen when your IP constantly rotates. They also offer amazing free tools. In their tools category on the left in the menu, you will see a free proxy checker and a port scanner so you can verify your anonymity score before you even log in to your wallet. And they have one of the best customer support 24/7. So if you ever get stuck setting up a proxy for your bot, their support is available 24/7, 365 to help you out. Secure your assets and scale your farming today. Click the link in the description, go to Proxy Seller, and don't forget to use the code, which you can find in the description for an exclusive 15% off. Stop trading naked. Get protected now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel. And leave in the comments any questions you may have, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.